Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby and I am the owner of Bimtessy Clothing and this YouTube channel, Bimtessy TV. And I am a YouTuber based in United States and I'm a fashion designer. So here today we are going to be learning how to make blouse and hero, or top and hero, Before we go further, have you guys subscribed? Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell. Okay, so now let's get into the video. So I already have my pattern that I'll be using for my design. What you will need for this practice is your scissors, you need your ruler, you need your curved ruler, and you need your tape measure, and you also need the measurements of the customer. So the measurement, you'll be dividing them by 4 to get the actual size. We have to fold clothes into 2, the front, and the back. We fold them into 2, so we get 4 pieces. So for the front pattern, this is what I got. And there are several videos that you can watch on how to make princess bustier pattern. It's very easy. So let's just go into it. Let's just cut out what I've done and then get into the actual video. So here I have the front and back pattern. So this is the back pattern. So let me just turn it like this to be able to cut them out easily. So I already have my sewing allowance that I added. This is 2 inches, and at the top here I have ½ inch for the shoulder, and I have my darts. So these are the darts for the princess bustier. So we have this one that's joining at the shoulder, at the armhole, and we have another one at the side. So this is my sewing allowance. So let's just cut it out. Okay, after cutting out this 2, don't ever forget to cut out this one. Okay, now we're good. Thank you. So now this is the fabric I'm going to be using, and I have this shiny satin material that I will be using for the lining. So let's go ahead and cut out our wrapper first. So for the wrapper, we are going to be needing 2.5 yards. So let's cut it out first, then we'll work with the rest of the fabric to make the blouse, the top, and the scarf. So here, let's measure. So usually one inch, well, sorry, 1 yard is 36 inches. So you fold it into 2. Got 36 inches fold into two. And then get your 1/2 inch. Two. So 1/2 of 36 is, let's see, 1/2 of 36 is 18, so we are getting 18 inches from here. Okay. So I'm trying it out. Okay, let's go ahead and that'll be a wrapper right there. The wrapper. So I'm going to be starting with the lining, which is this bright and shiny satin.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.